Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We are doing question number 27 from H.C. Verma book Concepts of Physics 1 from chapter number 3 Kinematics. According to the question, a healthy young man standing at a distance of 7 meters from a 11.8 meter high building sees a kid slipping from the top floor. Suppose this is a high building. There is a man standing at 7.7 meters from this building and he sees a kid slipping from this top building. The height of the building is given as 11.8 meters. This total height is 11.8 meters. The man starts running and he has to reach this point just below the kid so that he can catch the kid at his hand's height. The height of the arm is given as 1.8 meters. So therefore, the kid has to travel a distance of 10 meters. 11.8 minus 1.8, the kid would travel a distance of 10 meters before the man catches the kid. So we have to find this velocity with which the man should run so that he can reach below the kid at the appropriate time. So the time taken by the man to reach from point A to point B, suppose that time is t. The same time would be taken by the kid to drop from the top of the building up to this arm's height. So first of all, let us find this time t कि भाई बच्चे को कितना टाइम लगता है टॉप से नीचे आने में. So how can we find it? The kid is dropping because of the gravitational acceleration, that is 10 meter per second square. I am taking downward as positive. So the sign convention is downward as positive and upward as negative. So let us use the equation S is equal to ut plus half at square. In this case, what is S? S is equal to 10 meters. The kid is dropping only 10 meters. Before that, it does not drop to the ground. It is only dropping till the arm's height, that is 10 meters. Initial speed of the kid is 0 because the kid is slipping. It is not thrown down with a certain velocity. It is slipping. Therefore, it is basically dropping from the top of the building. So U is 0 in this case. What is A? A we have taken 10 and t square. So t square comes out to be 2 seconds, or you can say t comes out to be root 2 seconds, which is approximately equal to 1.4 seconds. So the time taken to drop the kid 10 meters is root 2 seconds. Now the same time should be taken by the man to move 7 meters because it is standing 7 meters from the top of the building. So the same time would be taken. Now velocity is equal to distance upon time. We have the value of distance, we have the time taken by the man. So let us put the values directly and we can find the velocity of the man. So distance moved by the man is 7 meters. He has to move this 7 meters distance from A to B. And time taken should be the same time which is taken by the kid to drop. So that is 1.4 seconds. So the velocity of the man would be 5 meter per second approximately. This is an approximate value. The velocity would be a little less than this because this value is a little more than 1.4. This is actually 1.414 seconds actually. So this is at the denominator, so the value would be a little less than 5, say suppose 4.9 meter per second. This would be approximately 4.9 meter per second. So this is the answer. I hope you have understood the question and solution. Thank you.